another Thoughts on Tech video.
This time with a sharpness test of the GoPro Hero 8 Black against the DJI Osmo Action. The test consists in pointing both cameras at the same target and see which delivers the sharpest results. First we take a look at the images in the original size they were shot. Already here I think a difference is noticeable, with advantage for the GoPro Hero 8 Black. In the next set of images we zoomed into 250% of the original size. In my opinion now the difference is even more noticeable. The edges of the black boxes for example are sharper on the GoPro than on the DJI. In this final set of images the zoom factor is 350%. And now I think here is undeniable. On the small chest pattern the images from the GoPro are way more sharp than the ones from the DJI Osmo Action.